Just that one word can change your impression. Perfect for beginners and kids. Omnibus. I live in a mansion. That does not work. What should I say? It is an apartment. It is an apartment. Do you have a consent? That is a bit unnatural. What sounds natural? It is an outlet. It is an outlet. I am a salaryman. That is a Japanese word. What should I say instead? I am an office worker. I am an office worker. Where is toilet? That is too casual. How can I say it politely? Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Give me coffee. That sounds a bit strong. What should I say? Could I have a coffee? Could I have a coffee? Call me taxi. That is a bit direct. What is a better way? Could you call a taxi? Could you call a taxi? I check in. That is a bit direct. What should I say instead? I would like to check in. I would like to check in. Give me this. That sounds a little rude. What sounds natural? Could I have this? Could I have this? Do you have size? That is a bit unnatural. What should I say? Do you have this in my size? Do you have this in my size? I try this. That sounds a little off. What is more natural? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? What do you recommend? That is too casual. How do you say it nicely? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What are you doing now? That is a bit direct. What do people usually say? What are you up to? What are you up to? Do this? That sounds a bit strong. How should I say it? Could you do this? Could you do this? I cannot do it. That sounds a bit harsh. What sounds natural? That might be difficult. That might be difficult. Say again. That sounds blunt. How can I say it politely? Could you say that again? Could you say that again? It is an apartment. It is an apartment. It is an outlet. It is an outlet. I am an office worker. I am an office worker. Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Could I have a coffee? Could I have a coffee? Could you call a taxi? Could you call a taxi? I would like to check in. I would like to check in. Could I have this? Could I have this? Do you have this in my size? Do you have this in my size? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What are you up to? What are you up to? Could you do this? Could you do this? That might be difficult. That might be difficult. Could you say that again? Could you say that again? Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.